Hi, it's Tibby Singh, and today I'm going to run through the features of the new Festool Cordless Angle Grinder AGC 18125. Don't worry about the jargon, AGC is an abbreviation for Angle Grinder Cordless. The number 18 means it only runs off Festool 18 volt batteries, and 125 is the size of the grinder, meaning it's 125mm or 5" in old money. It's not the lightest grinder, however, because it's really well balanced, it feels very comfortable to handle, and it is ergonomically designed. As you can see from the body, it's slightly narrow from the bottom, meaning you can grab a firm grip off the grinder. Inserting the disc couldn't be easier. As usual, we have the flange, which acts as a spacer, and this will only sit in one position as seen from the indentation at the back. The blade can then be sat onto the flange, which must sit correctly into the centering ridge. Now, the flange nut on this Festool is actually keyless, as it has a lift-up handle. And as usual, you would need to press the spindle lock, which is actually on the reverse of this tool. And once it's tightened, the lift-up handle then can be closed. When it comes to changing the disc, you should be able to loosen it off again from the lift-up handle. However, if it feels a little bit tight, a key has been provided, so this can be easily done. Now the guard is also keyless or toolless, and to change its position, all you need to do is press this lift-up handle, which is located on the back. And this can be moved in to 13 different positions and locks into place with the indentations. Now when the guard is in this position, it's actually not locked. As you can see, it's loose. And this enables you to remove the guard. And the only time you would need to remove the guard is when you're using other attachments, such as a wire brush attachment. And it does have a standard M14 thread. So just a quick note about the guard. Festool have made it so the guard can only be removed in this position. I think that's a great idea because you would never need the guard in this position, as it means that you're actually be cutting towards yourself, which wouldn't be safe. As always with Festool, anything bright green is a function. And this on the side here is a switch. As you heard there, it does have a smooth startup and is relatively quiet for a grinder. However, I always wear my ear defenders when using one. What I am impressed with is the vibrations, which are very minimal. The reason for this is because the motor inside isn't in contact with the outer body, and with this insulated gripped surface, it feels very smooth. Now, I shouldn't do this, but to demonstrate the vibrations, even when it's turned on and stood up in this position, it doesn't actually move. It also comes with a vibra-stop handle, which reduces vibrations and can be placed on the right or left hand side of the grinder. Festool do provide cutting discs for various different applications to cut different materials such as metal, blocks and bricks. It also has a speed regulator which you don't usually see on electric grinders. The advantages of this is that you can adjust it from 1 to 6, therefore allowing you to adjust it to suit the respective material. I usually associate Festool as a finishing tool and always reluctant to get them dirty. However, unlike other grinders, this one doesn't invite dust into the body as the motor and electronics are enclosed, protecting it from the dust and making it dust resistant. Other features this machine has is an electronic overload protection, and it also has a motor brake, which means the machine stops immediately when you switch it off. Therefore, you don't have to wait for the machine to stop spinning before putting it down. Although there's nothing stopping you from doing this, because at the back there's 2 support points which prevent the machine from rolling over and accidentally cutting the surface. We hope this video has helped, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop us a comment. Thanks for watching.